Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the platinum styling party. If you're not new here, friend, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again, okay? In today's video, obviously, we're going to be styling my icy white platinum hair. I literally just bleached my hair yesterday, but I did not achieve my complete desired results. So I just did another round. Okay, and now we are where we want to be, hopefully, because honestly, you never know what your color really looks like until after you styled it and it dries. So I'm hoping that today we actually have the right results. Okay, if you want to see how I style my hair, then just keep on watching. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video, so for those of you that think I talk too much, then stay tuned.
In your creek, smoking those rolls, baby. Alright, well, how many of y'all got your own?
Okay, hi. What's the occasion, fancy pants? Ah, that fancy DQ caramel fudge cheesecake.
Alright, I need y'all to bust it open for me, please. Seriously, everyone 50 and up, I need you to the front busting it.
New
I'm gonna leave the floor. Nobody can tell, 'cause nobody here
to change my life.
She done deep, stand that she plays. I just got a new phone. I'm gonna leave the door. See what go round. Hey, hey, nobody can tell me shit. Hey, I might just drink the book, don't need no gave-up. Some gasolina outside of the lava. Hey, get the fuck out.
and more Tide in every power bottle.
Boldness. It's about ownership and confidence, and also vulnerability and self-reflection. It's about a woman deciding how she wants to present herself to the world and not being told or influenced by anyone but her goddamn self. It's about women writing their own imperfect stories, unashamed.
That's the windows that you got. And no, it didn't mean no broken heart. I probably always have these ugly scars, but right now I don't care about that part. I bust the windows out your car. After I saw you laying next to her, I didn't want to, but I took my turn. I'm glad I did it, 'cause you had to learn. Still need help a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad to see what happens in you. See, you can't just look in people's ears, tell them you love them and don't be left. You'll probably say that it was your love, but I think that I deserve to smile. I was the one you got your head. You should be lucky if there's no one free. You play with me. I'm the feeling 'cause I'm just down. You just gotta get down on me. That is the love, oh yeah, on this bullshit. Can't you all of me and you play with me? I'm gonna bring it up a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad to see what happens. Please, I feel comfortable with people still. Tell me you love them and don't be mad. You probably said that it was juvenile, but I think that I deserve to know. Why is it still crying? Why am I the one who's still This is from my experience, and my conclusion only makes sense. Just 'cause I love you and you love me, it doesn't mean that we're meant to be. I can climb mountains and cross the seas, but the most likely it doesn't mean that we'll ever be. Across the ocean or sail for the queen, but the most likely thing is you and me. Of the lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of. Hey, I'm not scared to perform and I'm sorry I'm bad. But I'm scared when I see you. Not to love you, not trying is worse than to stop.
Okay, y'all, so the drying process is over. It has been hours later. Ryder's back home now. It's time to see what the hair did, see how it cooked, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and see. The waves on spins what they had done him. Now this part dried a little thingy now. Let me see. I don't know why they did that. I ain't gonna mess with it right now because I'm about to do my makeup and I'll just fix it later. But this is the finished result. So what do y'all think? Is it giving or is it giving? I know it is. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all my other blonde hair tutorials. I have a full playlist called All Things Blonde with more styling videos, how I achieve this color, and just all the things in between. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Beat some love.